Offset is one of my favorite functions when it comes to dealing with arrays of data. It not only lets me decide the size of the array, but also where the array is located to. As you read on the title of this video, let's give the offset function a brain, making it smart to look for the columns to return. The use case I am showing today is the one that I use in my Shopee Calculator template. When you download a spreadsheet report from a platform system, such as Shopee Seller Center, those reports are most likely to have a consistent header row. For example, the first column of Shopee order report is always order ID. So I can use offset from cell A1, one row down and 0 column away. Use count A to count the data size from A2 to A999999, and one column size to get the entire order ID column. Now you would think that column J will always be order creation date, and I can use the same method to get the order creation date column, right? Wrong. If you download the order report from the To Ship order filter, it will not have the cancel reason column, making order creation date shifted to column I, and your formula will get the wrong column. To make the offset smart enough to look for a specific column, we can make use of the function match or xmatch in newer versions of Excel or Google Sheets. In the column offset parameters, we change it to xmatch. Then in the lookup value, we look for order creation date in the header row of the order report. And then -1 as we are offsetting from the first column. There. No matter what type of order report you downloaded, the formulas will always get the correct columns. For this offset match combination to work, there are several conditions to be met. First is of course the system spreadsheet report must always have the same header text. Second is when you import the spreadsheet report to your template, always paste in the same range, like always starting in the cell A1 for example.